amazed on the range of motion that I'm feeling right now in my arm.
Let me ask you each, so in 30 minutes, 10 years have been erased of damage to my leg. It's wonderful going to
Wait. Okay. This morning I was doing that and it hurt. Like, every time I did that, it was just crunching. Wow. Okay. I'm a little shocked because as I had it on, I could still feel my shoulder. Like it was working.
That this is the biggest secret ever, or the best kept secret ever.
At this point, my right foot's not falling asleep like it used to. It's not flip-flopping like it used to, and surgery is out of the question. I will not even think about it. This is something that definitely will keep you in the game.
So Mike, what part of your body